Tired of endless scrolling trying to find the perfect TV platform? Today, we're settling the score between Firestick and YouTube TV to help you choose the best fit. First up, the Firestick. This is a media streaming device that plugs directly into your TV. Think of it as a portal to tons of apps, giving you access to services like Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. It's a one-stop shop for all your favorite streaming platforms. But remember, you'll need separate subscriptions for each of these services. Now, let's talk YouTube TV. This is a live TV streaming service that acts as a cable replacement. You get access to a bundle of live channels, similar to what you'd find with traditional cable or satellite. Plus, it includes a cloud DVR for recording your favorite shows, perfect for catching up later. Let's break down the key differences. Price. Firestick has a lower upfront cost, but your overall spending depends on the subscriptions you choose. YouTube TV is a monthly subscription. Channels. Firestick relies on individual apps. YouTube TV offers a bundle of live channels, streaming quality. Firestick can stream up to 4K. Dependent on the app and content, YouTube TV streams up to 1080p. User interface. Firestick is highly customizable, while YouTube TV is known for its simple and easy to navigate interface. So, who wins? If you want flexibility and control over your streaming services and don't mind managing separate subscriptions, the Firestick is a solid choice. However, if you want the convenience of live TV channels and DVR capabilities in one package, YouTube TV is a fantastic option. Ultimately, the best TV platform depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what's most important to you: cost, channel selection, streaming quality, or ease of use. Now you are armed to decide what's best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.